Okay, dear students, let us understand the multiple choice questions on matrices. So let us see first question. A is equal to a matrix Aij of order 2 by 2 and Aij element is equal to I plus j. Then A is equal to. What we will do, students, we will calculate here diagonal element Ci11 means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. A22, that means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we'll check these diagonal elements here. 2 comma 4. So there are no diagonal elements 2 comma 4 except matrix B. So B will be our answer. Again we will do same here. So we'll calculate diagonal elements. Okay. Let us calculate diagonal elements. A11 is 1 plus 2 into 1 bracket square upon 2. That is 1 plus 2 means 3, 3 square means 9, 9 upon 2. A22, that is 2 plus 2 into 2 bracket square upon 2. So this is 2 plus 4, 6 square means 36 upon 2, it is 18. So let us check diagonal elements here. 9 upon 2 and 18. So 9 upon 2 and 18. So B will be our answer. So two matrices of same order are said to be equal if and only if here two matrices of same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements of the two matrices are equal. So two matrices are equal here. We have to find out the values of x, y and z. So by equating here we can write here two matrices are equal, therefore x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 0. So let us solve these two equations. If we add, this is 2x, this will get cancelled, 2x is equal to 4, so x is equal to 4 upon 2. That means x is equal to 2. Now let us, if we put here x is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 4. So here 2 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 2, that means y is equal to 2. So we have to check x is equal to y is equal to 2. So see here x, y, here only first two elements are equal, that means x is equal to y is equal to 2. So no need of calculating z and w. So our answer will be A. So let us see next question. Find value of A and B. Again here we can equate the corresponding elements, calculate values of A and B. So A plus B is equal to 2, AB is equal to 8. So therefore B is equal to 8 upon A. So put B is equal to 8 upon A here. A plus 8 upon A is equal to 2. Let us check once again. A plus B is equal to, A plus B is equal to 86, not 2. So let us solve it once again. So I can write here A plus B is equal to 6. So A plus B is equal to 6, AB is equal to 8, B is equal to 8 upon A. I should write here A. So this is 6. So 6A. So A square minus 6A plus 8 is equal to 0. So factorize this quadratic equation. The factors of 8, they are 2 into 4, and whose addition is minus 6. So its factors are A minus 2, A minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to 2 or A is equal to 4. So if we take here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. So let us check option here. A is equal to 2 here. So here A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. So our option answer will be A. Now let us check here, Bacho, the order of the single matrix obtained by. What is the order of this? This is 3 by 2 matrix. Then this is subtraction of these two matrices will be a matrix whose order is 2 by 3. So therefore, if we multiply these two multiply this matrix and a matrix obtained by after subtraction, then the obtained matrix will be of order 3 by 3. So D will be our answer. Let us understand next question. If A is equal to this and equation is given a square minus ka minus 5y is equal to 0, then we have to find value of k. So let us put here, I can write here what we have to calculate. We have to calculate value of k. So I can write a square minus ka minus 5i is equal to 0. This implies a square minus 5i is equal to ka. So let us write here a square means 1334 1334 minus 5 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So this is equal to k into a. What is k? 1334. So this will be 1 plus 9 means 10, 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 means 15. Then this is 3 plus 12 in 9 plus 16 25 minus 5 0. So this is equal to k into 1334. So 10 minus 5 means 5, 15, 25 minus 5 is 20 here. So therefore this is k 1334. So taking 5 common from this matrix, it will be 5 common. That means we have to take out 5 common from each element. 1 3 3 4 is equal to k into 1 3 3 4. So here this is same. So this implies k is equal to 5. So let us understand this question here. The multiplication of these three matrices is equal to 0. We have to find x. What we will do here, students, we will multiply these two matrices and then this matrix 1 x1. Here 1 into 1 plus 6, 7 plus 2x. Here 2 plus 10, 12 plus x. 15 plus 6, 21 plus 2x. This is equal to 0. Now multiplying these two matrices. Here 7 plus 2x plus x into this 12x plus x square plus 1 into this 21 plus 2x is equal to 0. So this is x square plus this is 16x plus that is 28 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation so we can factorize this. Its factors are x plus 2, x plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 4. So here x is equal to minus 2 will be our answer. So let us understand one more important question. square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n by n is called a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0. Now see here, suppose this is a matrix of order 3 by 3 square matrix. Here what are the diagonal elements here? A11, A22, A33. These are called diagonal elements. Diagonal matrix means the elements A11, A22 and A33, they are not equal to 0. Remaining non-diagonal elements means A21, A31, A32, A21, A31, A32, A12, A13 and A23. These are 0 elements. Then we can say that is a diagonal. So we have to write relation between here non-diagonal elements here. Okay, here non-diagonal elements means non-diagonal I is not equal to j here. These are 2 means I, j means 1. So here also I and j are not equal. That means this is not equal. If we consider here these non-diagonal elements here, so I is greater than j, while here I is less than j. I is greater than j, I is less than j. So therefore these two options are also wrong. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be none of these. So let us see again one more important question here. If AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, what is given here? AB is equal to A. So A, that is B is equal to AB. B is equal to BA. So this is equal to A. So AB is equal to A here. A into A is equal to A. So A square is equal to A. So therefore our option will be C. So let us consider one more question here. What is given here? This is matrix A and this is given condition here. A minus I into A plus I is equal to 0. That means this can be written as A square minus I square is equal to 0. That is A square minus I square means I is equal to 0. So A square is equal to, what is value of, I can write A square means A into A, 1 0 0 0 1 0 A B minus 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 A B minus 1. So this is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now see here, if we multiply these two matrices, we can get this identity matrix. So here A is equal to B is equal to 0 only. If you take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then if you take A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0, or if we take any value for any value of A and B, product of these two matrices will be identity matrix. So therefore our answer will be any A and B. A is M by N matrix, it is given. And B will be that N by some P here. So number of columns of matrix A must be equal to number of rows of matrix B. So therefore what we can say that AB will be M by P matrix. Then here to define BA matrix, B and A matrix. So B matrix is suppose N by P and this is M by N already given. So to BA to be defined, that P must be equal to M. So P must be equal to M. So therefore we can say that then B is, so B must be here, M must be equal to P. So B must be of order N by M. So therefore we can say that B will be our answer. Okay dear students, let us understand one more important question here. If A is a given 2 by 2 matrix, B and C. These are also 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So we have to see which option is true here. So dear students, we know that summation of or addition of two matrices is commutative. That means this commutative and associative. So here A plus B is equal to B plus A means A and B addition of two matrices is commutative, and A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means by using the properties of addition of matrices, we know that addition of two matrices is commutative and associative. So therefore, our answer will be A. So let us see this here. One more question. What is A matrix means? Minus 2, 4, minus 1, 2, A square. Here, minus 2, 4, minus 1. So multiplication of these two matrices is defined because they are square matrices of same order. So let us multiply here. Minus 2 into minus 2, plus this will be 4, 4 minus 4, minus 2 means it is minus 8, plus 8, row to column. Now second row, first column. So let us multiply it by second row. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. 2 minus 1 means minus 2. Minus 1 into 4, it is minus 4. 2 into 2 plus 4. So this is equal to, this is 0, 0, 0. So this will be null matrix. So A will be our. Let's understand this here. If A and B are 2 by 2 matrices, then which of the following is true? Here, if we check here, this A minus B into A plus, right? So let us multiply A into A square, plus AB minus B into A. We cannot cancel AB and minus A because AB may or may not be equal to BA. So minus B into B square. So this will be our, C will be our answer. So let us understand one more question here. So we have to multiply these two matrices. AB is equal to, so let us write here multiplication. First row, first column, 1 into 1, 1. So 2 into 0. So this will be, I can write here 1. Then first row is, what will be this here? Here. First row, second column, 1, that is minus 2 plus 2. So it will be 0. Right. Then first row, this 1 into y. So 1 into y, 2 into 0 means 0 plus, okay, let us multiply this by 0, this will be 0. Second row first, that is 0, 1, 0. That means it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. Here, multiplying by third row by first, it will be 0, is 0, 0, that is 0 into minus 2, 0 plus 0 into 1. Again, this will be 0. So let us multiply 0 into y, 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. So this is equal to I3. I3 means identity matrix of order 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, we equate these two matrices are equal matrices of the same order. So y plus x is equal to, that is x plus y is equal to 0. That means A will be our answer. So let us understand one more important question here. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then we have to find I plus A bracket cube minus 7A is equal to. So let us calculate this one. I plus A cube minus 7A. We'll use this A plus B bracket cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. So here I cube plus A cube plus 3I square A plus 3I A square minus 7. I cube means I plus. This is A cube can be written as A square into A plus 3. I square means I and I into A means A plus. Here A square is equal to A 3IA minus 7. I can write here I. A square means A square is equal to A. So A into A square. I can write here A plus 3A plus 3A minus 7A. So what will be this here? I plus A plus 3A, 4A plus 3A, 6A. Say this is 7A minus 7A. This will get cancelled. It is equal to R. C will be our answer. We'll calculate multiplication of these two matrices, then we'll take transpose of it. So given matrix A, given matrix B, we have to raise transpose of their multiplication. Right here A, B. Huh? So let us multiply this. First row, first column. That is 1 into 2. 2 minus 6 plus 1. 2 minus 6 plus 1 and 1 minus 4 plus 1. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 plus 3, 2 plus 2 plus 3. What will be this here? This will be minus 3 minus 2. This is 10. This is 7. So answer will be minus 3 minus 2, 10, 7. If A and B are square matrices of same order and A dash denote the transpose of A, then so students, we know that AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. So this is standard result, or this is called reversal law of transpose. Reversal law of transpose. So A will be our. So if A is equal to this given matrix and A is equal to transpose of A, then we have to find value of X and Y. We can say that. So A is equal to 5X Y0. A is equal to transpose of A. Here 5X Y0. It is equal to transpose of given matrix means interchanging rows to column. 5X Y0. So if we compare here corresponding elements, X is equal to Y, Y is equal to X. So we can say that answer will be C. X is equal. The matrix A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0 is A. Now see here, this is A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. If we take here its transpose 0, 1, interchanging rows to column 1. So A is equal to A dash. This implies A is a symmetric matrix. So let us understand one more important question. For any square matrix A into transpose of A, here what we will do, A into transpose of A, will take its transpose. So this is equal to transpose of A using this here, A into B, transpose of A, B, transpose of B into A. So transpose of transpose A into this is equal to, this is transpose of transpose means A raised to B. So we can say that transpose of given matrix is equal to E. So this is given matrix, and if we take its transpose, then we are getting the same matrix. So therefore we can say that it is symmetric matrix. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. Then, so if we take, for example, this is AB, if we take transpose, then it is it may or may not be equal here. This is not our answer. If we take this now, AB plus, we take its transpose. What is A and B are symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices means transpose of A is equal to A, transpose of B is equal to B. It can be written as transpose of AB plus transpose of BA. So this is equal to, this is transpose of B into transpose of A plus transpose of A into transpose. Reversal law of transpose. So transpose of B means this is B, A plus A plus B. So here, if we take transpose of this matrix, then we are getting same matrix. Therefore, we know that transpose of A is equal to A means given matrix is symmetric matrix. If A is equal to given matrix is a symmetric matrix, then that means if A is equal to transpose of symmetric matrix. Given matrix is this 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 2. If we take its transpose here, interchanging rows to call 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3. If we equate here, x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So we can write here x minus 2x is equal to 3 plus 1 minus x is equal to 4, x is minus 1. This will be our answer. So if A is a square matrix, then A minus A dash. Let us take A minus A dash, its transpose will. This is equal to transpose of A. You can take dash here. Let us take transpose of this A minus A is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of, this is transpose of A. This transpose of A of transpose means A. Take out minus comma. A minus. So here, so if transpose of given matrix is equal to A, and it is skew symmetric matrix. Suppose this is matrix, its transpose. We are getting its opposite matrix here. So therefore, we can say that A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Each diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix, its answer is, so here. Now, if the matrix A is a symmetric matrix, then we can easily find, again using definition of symmetric matrix, A is equal to transpose of A. So let us write here y2x, y2 minus 3, or t minus is equal to its transpose. Interchanging rows to column. y2x, y2 minus 3, or t minus 3. So as these two matrices are equal matrices, we can equate correspondingly. So x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 2, t is equal to minus 3. Is 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3. D will be our answer. So let us understand one more important question here, which if a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, what is meaning? This is A dash is equal to minus A, that means it is skew symmetric. A dash is equal to A, symmetric matrix. So left hand sides are same, that means minus A is equal to A. So we can say that A 0 is equal to minus A plus A. This implies 2A is equal to 4, A is equal to 0. That means A is a zero matrix. If A is a symmetric matrix and A raised to n is here, A dash is equal to, so this A raised to n, I take here this transpose. This can be written as A dash bracket raised to n. So A dash bracket raised to n. A dash is equal to A raised to n. So transpose of matrix is equal to matrix itself. That means it is a symmetric matrix. Matrix is, now see here given matrix 1 0 0 0 2 0 0. So this is A. You take its transpose 1 0 0 2 0 0. If we compare these two matrices, A is equal to same. So given matrix is symmetric. If any two matrices A and B we have, now see here, for any two matrices AB is equal to BA, this is wrong. Or AB is not equal to A, this is also wrong. And AB is equal to 0, this is also wrong. So none of these will be. A and B are matrices of same order. Then AB dash minus A dash. To take its transpose here is AB dash A dash dash. So this can be written as B dash dash A, B dash of A dash. It is this B dash B dash A, transpose of transpose. Taking minus, here this will be is A. So let us take minus common here. It will be plus AB dash. So transpose of this matrix is equal to negative of this. This transpose of A is equal to minus A. It is skew symmetric matrix. So this will be skew symmetric matrix. A will be answer. So let us understand one more important question. The additive inverse of A plus B. So A plus B, this will be a matrix. So 2 plus minus 1 means 1, 5 plus 2 means 7, 9 plus 3, 12, 3 minus 9 means, so additive inverse means minus of A plus. This is equal to minus 1 minus 12, multiplying each element by minus. So our answer will be, additive inverse will be this 1, 7, minus 12, 6. D will be answer. So let us simplify this here, which will multiply this matrix. Is tan theta sec theta tan square theta tan square theta minus tan theta sec theta plus, let's multiply it by this minus tan theta sec theta minus sec square theta minus sec square minus sec theta tan theta. That means sec theta tan theta sec theta. This is, if we add these corresponding elements, it will be 0. Tan square theta minus sec square theta is 1. Tan square theta minus sec square theta minus tan theta sec theta. What will be our answer? D will be our. So for what value of alpha A is an identity? Here students, if we put alpha is cos 0 is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 0. That means 0. So here cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is, so therefore it is 0, 0. That means for alpha is equal to 0, this given matrix become identity matrix.